Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Queen Elizabeth is here with another very exciting and amazing project. Before going to start the review of my interesting project, I request you if you are new on my channel, please subscribe, like and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming amazing videos. Today guys, I have another very exciting project. Before going to start the project detail, I want to say something that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice to your own research. For every investment you make, this video is only for educational purpose. Now we are going to start the project review. You can check it out. This is the very interesting and profitable project, which is Phoenix, the Ordinary Man token. In this video, we're gonna discuss each and everything about this Phoenix platform. We're gonna discuss about how you can buy this token, and also their audit contract firm, and also their DEX showing a chart, how their day by day pumping, and also their roadmaps, tokenomics, each and everything we're gonna discuss in detail in this video. So don't miss any part of the video, and I also provide you the website official links in my video description, so don't miss any chance. Now we're going to start this amazing platform, the Ordinary Man token. We believe that everyone deserves a chance to benefit from the advancement in the digital finance and the blockchain technology. Our vision is to create a level playing field where every individual, regardless of their background or experience, can participate in and benefit from the growth of the digital community. You have to guys simply click the buy now. When you click the buy now, you have to check this interface like this. You have to just simply, what you do, you have to simply just connect your wallet. Either you want to connect the MetaMask or other any wallet, you have to connect it, and you have to simply buy and import the token. This is very simple. You have to buy this amazing token, and now we're going to discuss about more, and you have to check this amazing platform chart. You can check it out. Now we're going to discuss that this is the first true AI meme token. How this is the first true AI meme token, I will describe you and I will provide you this detail. Like, the Phoenix token is a cutting-edge AI-powered meme project designed to revolutionize and decentralize finance and cybersecurity. Their mission is to provide advanced security tools, and innovative decentralized exchange, and a suite of AI-driven utilities that empower users in the rapidly evolving digital landscape. Now we're going to discuss about more this amazing Phoenix platform. Like, they have the renounced ownership. We have taken the bold step towards the decentralization by officially renouncing ownership. This is a vital move is to design to empower the community, ensuring that the project remains open, transparent, and fully governed by its user. And also you have the liquidity locked. Our token liquidity pool have been successfully locked, marketing a significant milestones in our commitment to security and transparency. This strategic moves is to design to enhance the trust and stability within our community, ensuring that our project remain robust and resilient for you. This is very interesting. And also they have the burn mechanism. Like, they have the simply yet effective, a portion of the token from every transaction is automatically burned and permanently removing them from the circulation. This process decreases the total supply of the token, which leads to raise in the value due to increased security. And also many things more about this amazing platform. Like, they have the partners, as you can see, ongoing commitment to excellence and innovation. We have forget the strategic alliance with some of the most influential and groundbreaking project in the blockchain space. And also they have the goal is to harness and collective expertise and cutting edge technologies of this project to deliver the unparalleled values and opportunities to our community. Like, they have the Water Rabbit, they have the Wiki Cat, Wine, Daffy Tiger, Yukon tokens, and two more. They have the amazing partners. Then also they have the products that are developing in the future. Like, you can check it out. They have the Phoenix Boot, they have the Phoenix DEX, and also they have the Phoenix Foundation. These are the products that are developing and that are coming soon on this amazing platform. So these are the three missions of this amazing platform, so you have to check it out. They are coming soon: Phoenix Box, Phoenix Books, and Phoenix DEX, and also the Phoenix Foundation. So you have to simply connect with this amazing platform. And also you can check out their tokenimonies, like they have the total supply which is 10 million, their airdrops they are 2%, their CEX listing 3%, charity 5%, team 5%, and initial token burn 10%, and foundation 18%, and reserved treasury that is 25%, and total liquidity pool which is 22%. And also they have the tax slippage which is in have they have the 2% rewards, 1% burn, and also they have the 1% marketing and 1% liquidity. This is their tokenimonics. And also they have the community reward mechanism in this, that you can check it out. They have Phoenix token, the bringing back the area for community with a lot of rewards. PHT is a deflationary token designed to become more scarce over the time. All the holders of the Phoenix token will earn more WKC WikiCat coin, and it's automatically sent to your wallet by simply holding Phoenix token coins in your wallet. This is very simple way how you can get rewards, and also watch amounts of WikiCat coin grow in your wallet. And as Phoenix coin holders automatically receive a 2% fee from every transaction that has happened on the Phoenix token network. So you have to simply collect without, and you have to simply buy this token. And also they have the road map in them which they have consisting the 4 phases. Like they have the phase 1 in which they have the like social media handlers creation, website launch and public sale, and assist holders and Twitter followers, Telegram members, Twitter followers, and many things more they have in the phase 1. And also they have the phase 2 in which they have the first airdrop campaign, contact audit, and white paper release, mini contents, and 5,000 Twitter followers, 5,000 Telegram members, and also they have the CG and CMS listing. In the phase 3, they have many things more, like they have the Phoenix token boot release, first registration campaign, assessed holders, Telegram members, Twitter followers, and influencers, and marketing in Africa, and many more things. And also they have the phase 4 in which they have the also the many Twitter and Telegram and TikTok followers. They have increased day by day, and also they have the influencers and the Phoenix books boot launch, and also the billboard marketing in Africa. And also they have the second reservations, which is these are the roadmaps of this amazing platform. And also they have the phase 5 in which they have also the big large influencer marketing, Phoenix boot launch, and billboard marketing in the Asia and Europe, and many things more. Now I want to show you their audit contract address. As you can see, they have the smart contract audit. You can check it out. This is amazing. And also you have to check it out, their contract function analysis and attention items like are 4, and the risky items like 0%. And they have the contract weakness analysis, like they have the attention 10.3, and now the risky items 0. And this is the like a decentralized token built on the Binance Smart Chain, fundamentally as a meme coin for those who love the story of mythical Phoenix, which represent the resilience and transformation even in the face of adversity. The core principle of this team behind this token is centered around the wider adoption for the African demography and charity all around the reliance. This is very interesting. So you have to check it out, and also you have to check it out their liquidity, their market cap, and many things more. They have the text in each and everything is available. You have to check it out. And also I want to show you their DEX screener chart. As you can see, this is day by day pumping and increasing. And also you can check it out their transaction, their top holders, and their traders. You have to check it out. And also you can check it out their price in USDT, their price and liquidity, their market cap, each and everything is available. So you have to simply check it out, and you have to get benefit from it. Then also you can follow their Twitter accounts. By following their Twitter accounts, you have to get updation for their further upcoming amazing updates of this amazing platform. So you have to simply connect it with their Telegram community and also their Twitter community. While following their Twitter community, you have to get updation about this amazing platform, and also you have to join their Telegram community. By joining their Telegram community, you have to get updation of further upcoming amazing things about this amazing Phoenix token. This is all about my Phoenix tokens. Hope you like this video and you have to get benefit from it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care.